morning. It's 2 a.m. and I'm hungry. Big thanks to Care Of for sponsoring this video. So today I'm gonna show you what my nightly routine looks like. I mean, every night is different.
You usually record and then make me starve and then don't feed me until like 3 in the morning.
I gotta do what I gotta do. So come on. Come on down. I'm hungry. I want to get this food going. Ignore the dirty side of my eye. No, don't look at it. No, don't look at it. No, there's no mess. Look how nice it is. We keep our kitchen clean. Look, spotless. Stop showing them. So dinner plans for tonight. You know, we could eat leftovers, but I found some risotto in the pantry. Or there's mac and cheese. What do you want? Mac and cheese or risotto?
Both.
One.
Risotto.
Me too. Creamy Parmesan kind. So we're gonna get it on the stove real quick. Look at that. Arborio rice. Saute rice in olive oil. Okay. They want me to what now? Saute the rice in some olive oil? You really think I got time to go in my pantry, open up a thing of olive oil? We do this quick, okay? I'm hungry, I wanna eat. Meanwhile, we will prepare 2.5 cups of water if I can find my little measuring cup that I just recently bought.
Just use the infinity mug.
No, I bought a cup.
Ash, did you take mommy's cup?
You definitely took mommy's cup, didn't you? Calling the puppy police. Hello, cup of measuring. Y'all really don't want me to measure my water, huh? We're gonna use the good old, this thing. 1, 2, I'm so bad at things that have to like measure. I never measure when I cook. But it's like when I have to do like pre-made food like this, you kind of have to. I mean, you don't have to. You'll just end up with garbage risotto. Pour my package of creamy Parmesan. Look, it even says, creamy parm contains milk. Fight me, you milk intolerant fools. I have a gluten allergy. That's like the lowest form of allergy that anyone ever takes seriously. And it sucks because I'm actually allergic. Who's the fool now? So we're mixing this. This isn't it, by the way. If you're thinking we just gonna sit here and eat some risotto for dinner, you are sorely mistaken. We got way more than that coming, okay? Okay, not way more, but like more.
There better be more, I'm hungry.
I know, me too, I'm hungry too. Where is my lid? Who took my lid?
Wow.
It's not even 2 cups, it's 1 cup. It would have literally been like the same amount of measuring. I usually have to open at least all of these for me to find what I'm looking for. Where is my lid? It's like, where does it go? That pot has a lid.
Ash, did you take it?
Why did you take my lid? I'm gonna use this one. I don't know how does the lid disappear? I don't even have that many pots. I have 3 pots maximum and it disappeared.
There's only one culprit in this house.
Somebody taking my lids. Okay, so next up, we gonna heat up another skillet. That'll do. Do I even have butter? I'll be very upset if I don't have butter. It went bad, so I threw it out. I have unsalted butter.
I want salted.
I will salt it. Gotta get my garlic. We ain't got time to fresh press new garlic.
Doesn't even feed me quality meals. I'm a big boy, I deserve fresh pressed
We ain't got
garlic.
time for quality meals tonight.
I mean, so far you've spent as much time looking for things as you have cooking.
Seriously though, okay, so before I did the video, I defrosted some shrimp, easy peasy. They were in the freezer, and ooh, that's cold. They're pretty defrosted. I might have to defrost them some more. I just run some cold water over them, or it doesn't have to be cold, just like any water, and just let them sit for a while, or just let them defrost. This is a quick way of making things defrost. I mean, if I really cared, I would like dry them off with a paper towel before I throw them on the skillet, but
I don't deserve quality meals.
No, you don't. Hands too wet. Someone help. Evan's hands are infected.
Maybe if someone's having quality food.
All those Costco trips carrying water paid off. Okay, garlic. More garlic, the better. We're almost out of garlic. Okay, garlic, all of you out. Now, get out of the jar. You don't belong here anymore. I'm just gonna use the rest of it because the more garlic, the better. Looks delicious. I wish you guys can smell this. This is a matter of time, okay? Yes, I'm drilling on my eyes. I don't usually do this. This is making me look really bad. Okay, Okay, let these fools simmer for a few. Put some salt. Salt makes everything better. Let's go to the good old spice rack and see what we got to spice things up a bit. And you know what? I have some quality garlic seasoning. It's garlic and parsley. Delicious. I don't have fresh parsley to cut up. I usually do, but I don't today because I haven't been food shopping in forever. And this is literally what I had in the pantry and in the freezer. So we're kind of making a meal out of what we already have. None of this was planned. I mean, I wasn't even planning on cooking tonight, honestly, but I'm hungry. All right, we're gonna let that cook. And I wanted to show you my new vitamins. Look how cute this is. So this is my custom vitamin pack from Care of that I've been taking every day. It was specifically made for me. I mean, look, it even says my name. Every single packet says, "Hi, Leah," and it has my daily vitamins in it. It makes it super easy to take my vitamins every day. I know some people take them in the morning, but I take them at night. I like to have them with my dinner. So basically what Care of does is customize a vitamin pack specifically for you. It's super convenient, high quality, and sustainable. And you can check out their site for information on composting. So in my pill pack, I have ashwagandha, rhodiola, and a B complex vitamin. Can we do this all in one go? So I went to takecareof.com and I did a really in-depth quiz about my lifestyle, what's important to me health-wise, what are my goals, and they gave me a personalized vitamin plan. It's super easy because I can just take a pack, rip it, and go. I don't have to open up a bunch of bottles, so there's no excuses. So I'm taking the B complex vitamin for energy. Your girl needs all the energy she can get. You know, how else am I gonna daily upload? I've already been taking it for a few weeks. I've been eating less coffee, less naps, and it's almost 3 a.m. and I'm cooking a whole dinner. So if you guys want 25% off your first month, go to takecareof.com and you can use my code Leah for 25% off. Let's eat. Take a look at that risotto. If only I had some ricotta with my risotto, I would be done diddly set. Ooh, there's a nice little crust in it. I love this stuff. You were like, this ain't enough food.
It's not.
What do you mean this ain't enough? Look at your plate. Okay, the shrimp is not enough. I cheated and had some of the shrimp and it is so bomb. Like, this came out so delicious. I know it doesn't look the best, but it's
good. I took a fork.
So freaking good.
I took 2 pieces out of the pan. What about you?
Wow, I took 2 pieces too.
You were about to say 3.
No. Bone apple tea. I feel like my plate is missing something right here. We'll look at Evan's plate because it's bigger and looks better. Delicious. Finally, some good hacking food. Best box risotto I have ever had. Delicious. I was gonna record the candle and be like, wow, so aesthetic. But it's literally all burnt out. The most unaesthetic candle insides I have ever seen. By the way, if you don't like pumpkin pecan waffles, you can fight me. Just kidding. You can ask me nicely and I'll switch to Parisian rose if you're more into that. And this is my little Halloween section right here. Just some of the decor I have so far. By the way, these from the dollar store. Ooh, love it. And then I have this little section. Oh, by the way, where's the hacking button? It bubbles! Okay, it is currently 3:30 in the morning. This is about the time when our night ends. I mean, my sleep schedule is pretty messed up right now, so I've been sleeping at like 4. So we have some time to watch like 1 episode on Netflix. I don't know what we're gonna watch right now. We've been watching 13 Reasons Why and Neon Genesis. I wanna watch something new. So after I was done eating, I just hopped in the shower, washed my face. I didn't brush my teeth yet, but I mean, that's what's next on the menu for tonight. So I'm gonna chill here, watch some TV, and then fall asleep in like half an hour. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out Care of in the description below. Use my code Leah for 25% off. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button in the face and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.